People reconstruct memories each time then they remember them. Past or 5 years முன்னாடி நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு விஷயம் நடந்துருக்கும்ல. People reconstruct memory each time then they remember them. Think back to a particular event that happened at least 5 years ago. Maybe it was a wedding or a family gathering, a dinner with friends, or a vacation. Remember the people and where you were. Maybe you can be remember the weather or what you were wearing. நம்ம என்ன வியர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். When you think about this event, it probably plays in your mind like a short video clip மாதிரி நம்மளுக்கு ஷோ ஆகும். Because your experience, the memories there. Memories are actually reconstructed every time when we think of them. For example, the memory can change each time it is retrieved. Why eyewitness testimonies are unreliable? In her research, reconstructive memories, Elizabeth Loftus வந்து memories, human memories வந்து ரிசர்ச் பண்றவங்க could show practical plans of participants a video clip of automobile accident. ஒரு automobile accident வந்து participant வந்து ஷோ பண்றாங்க. Then she could ask a series of questions about the accident and substitute critical words. For example, she might ask how fast about the accident. Could you estimate the car was going with hit another vehicle? எப்படி போய் இடிச்சுது அந்த மாதிரி கேள்வி கேட்குறாங்க. Takeaways. If you're testing or interviewing customers about a product, the words you use can affect greatly what people remember. Don't rely on self-reports or past behavior. People will not remember accurately what they or others did. Peopleனால டக்குன்னு ரிமெம்பர் பண்ணிக்க முடியாது. Take what people say after the fact. When they are remembering using of your products or instance or remembering the experience, அந்த மெமரி அந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வந்து ரிமெம்பர் பண்ணிக்கணும் அவங்க. ஆஃப் காலிங் யுவர் கஸ்டமர் சர்வீஸ் லைன் வித் த கிரேன்ஸ்.